to my channel. I wanted to do a flip through of this little golden book journal that I made. It is the Cinderella story, and you can see the cover here. I have the page protectors, this beautiful fabric on the spine, and this rickrack going up and down the back. And then we'll look at the spine dangle. All my spine dangles are removable. That way the book will lay flat when you use it. But I have these really sweet Cinderella, Mickey Mouse. I have this little princess charm and these very pretty lace and trims. This blue button here. And I have this little, if I can get a hold of it, it's a little pumpkin charm. So that is the spine dangle. Love it. And then here is a flip through of the book. It is 3 signatures, and it comes with these really cute bow paper clips. So the inside has the fabric as well. We have lace trim going up the edges, and then I have charms on bulb pins on the fabric tabs. There's also some vintage as well as new embellishments throughout there in the pockets. The story is in order and completely intact. And I did do a lot of sewing details throughout the journal. I also have vintage book pages in here. And this, the little golden book story, is from, oh shoot, I'll have to do the conversion because it's in Roman numerals. I think it's vintage, but I have to double check that. And then here's another vintage book page of another Cinderella story, another vintage playing card, and I love the paper pad that I used. So pretty. And then I just have some other little embellishments, some vintage ledger paper, a little side tuck here, brave, sweet, kind. I love that saying. And then this paper, I just love it. It has a little bit of sparkle to it, but I love the birds kind of going along with the birds. And then this vintage music page, there's music in the air. And then a belly band and some more embellishments, some vintage school paper. And then in the middle of this, you have a double pocket, and you have this paper clip, bow paper clip, and a little cut apart here, and a little pocket, another belly band, vintage book page, and then here's a pretty little bead on this bulb pin. And I love the little fabric tabs. Those are all vintage fabrics on the fabric tabs. And this is vintage fabric as well. More book page stuck in here. A little lullaby page. Sleep, sleep, beauty bright. Just thought that went along well. And then I love this lace here with the swans. And then some more vintage book page. And then another vintage playing card. And then here's a little cut apart on this envelope. Love the hearts. So pretty. And then some more sewn pockets. Love this paper too. And then an old time dance. I thought that went well with the theme. They're going to the ball. And here's the middle signature of the second signature. So pretty. Another little bow paper clip. And then here's another little vintage page that the owner can do collage with, make tags out of it, any sort of thing. Some more embellishments. Look at those papers. Just love them. So pretty. And then here we have a little button on there, flower button. And this is Sparkle and Shine. Hey there, Princess. And then I sewed around this cut apart. More ledger paper, vintage book paper. Sewed around this pocket. Vintage book page. Doily. So here is the third signature. Love this princess paper. And a belly band with a doily in there. Some more lace trim. And then Song of the Clock. I liked this because, you know, the clock, she has to be home before the clock strikes midnight. And the Nightingale Sings. And then here is a vintage multiplication card. Some more vintage book page. Look at that baby. So cute. Love that heart paper. And then on this bold pen, I have a pretty little flower. And then another little cut apart here of the knight and the princess. And then this frog paper, love it. And this paper, this is the middle of the signature for the third signature. Love this beautiful vintage book page here. Just so pretty. You have the beautiful carriage and you have the castle in the background. So pretty. Another paper clip with a bow. And then we have another vintage playing card. So lots of room to decorate, to journal, put photos in. I mean, this would be a great keepsake to for your granddaughter or your small child. You can put photos of your child in here. Lots of different options of ways to use this journal. And then we're getting to the end. And that is the end of the third signature. So this will be listed in my Etsy shop. So make sure you go over there and check it out. And thank you all so much for watching. And I will see you all on the next video. Bye. Love y'all.